Well, hey there, greetings and salutations. Well, today I had intentions of taking you out to a waterfall located in Death Valley. But you remember that squeak that I had in my idler pulley? And I replaced that a couple days ago? Yeah, it turns out that wasn't it. And a couple of things. Not only was it 120 miles away to where I wanted to take you, but they raised the entry fee to Death Valley to $30. I know it's good for 7 days, but so I think next time we go to Death Valley, we're going to buy the year pass for $80. Better value. So we went to Asm Meadows instead, and we walked both the boardwalks, both at, what was that one? It was Crystal Spring and Point of Rocks. And those are pretty nice boardwalks. They're not too terrible, actually. There's some water and some grass and some fish, and if you're lucky, you get to see some wildlife. We weren't very lucky, but it was a good day nonetheless. The kids didn't have school today. It was an in-service day, so we decided to get out of the house instead of them sitting around like bumps on a log playing their freaking Minecraft and Roblox and all that crap. We decided to get out and get some fresh air. I'm just going to overdub all this with music because you don't need to listen to my son screech and bark and the kids are making all sorts of noise. I'm just going to play this to music and let you enjoy some nice music with some beautiful scenery. And I hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you at the end.
Oh, my favorite trap.
See,
Water.
see if you can see some futfish. Oh, look at them all. See them?
No.
See the little tiny fish down there?
No.
Right down there. See them all down there?
No.
They're probably that big. See them down there swimming?
Oh, yes, I can see them.
Little blue ones?
Yeah, the little blue.
Those are the Asm Meadows pupfish. There's some more down there.
Just one right there.
Where?
You missed it.
Oh, there, yeah, see them. Careful. Oh, see them down there?
Did I touch it?
See them right there? See them? Those are all desert, the Asm Meadows pupfish. Apparently there's only 400 of them, so they must all be in this pool right here.
Only them?
Yeah, whatever. Looks like they're thriving to me. Don't touch it.
I want to touch it.
Jump. 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 There you go. You got it. Don't touch it. Okay. right above us. You can see right down there where this gravel is. See all the gravel down at the bottom where there's...
I think it's close.
You see the ground bubbling?
Is it? No.
If the sun was directly above us, you'd see it. You know, anytime we can get outside as a family and enjoy the great outdoors, it's a good day. Even if it's just a walk on a boardwalk at a nature preserve. I know it's not a waterfall, but it's pretty damn close. Stay tuned for the waterfall video. I think that's going to be kind of interesting too. If you liked the video, I'd appreciate it if you smash that like button and shared it with your vast social media network. That'll help the channel a lot. So if you haven't done so yet, I invite you to subscribe. And if you do, please click the little bell icon that's right next to the sub button so YouTube will notify you next time I upload a video. Because if you don't click the bell icon, they won't notify you. So until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep the putter dry, and have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.